As you know, we call all wife of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we call them mommy. We call them Ummahat, Aisha, Ummahat, Khadija, Salma, Juwairiya. Do you know the name of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wives? Do you know Muhammad? Do you know Muhammad? What are you going to say after it? Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. If you don't say that, Allah will curse you. How many wives Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to have? 12. That's right. First wife? First wife? What's your name? Hey. Hey, young man. What's your name? Tawsif. Okay. What was the first wife name of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Where have you been? You are somewhere else. Khadija. And second wife? You know the youngest wife of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Very young wife. Who was she? Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu anha. Do you know what age Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam married to Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu anha? Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 52 and Aisha was